You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Brazilian state. We'll be looking at how to say more Brazilian names from geography and beyond. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Minas Gerais. Minas Gerais. Minas Gerais is how it's said in Brazil. Minas Gerais. Minas Gerais. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.